so well, but the left side feels weaker, but I'm still getting sensation in my hamstring. Very strange. And I've been getting sore in my abs after sparring, which I didn't think would happen yet because it's not like traveled up that high.
It happens. I mean, the fascia, it's a tensegrity model. So if you're able to keep up with fascial tension while sparring, not only you're going to feel your abs sore, you're going to feel your glutes sore, and you're going to feel your feet. So all these are some of the areas which has a lot of fascial tension that's going to activate. So versus someone who is very low level, they will activate only quad and lower back. If they do sparring, but elite athletes are going to be activating the fascial line, the fascial chain from the glutes to the abs. So it's very good body sensation if you're getting from the abs. That is progress.
Yeah, I felt it the day after and then afterwards, and I was like, I don't think I usually get this feeling. I thought, oh, maybe it's from doing core or something. I'm like, no, I haven't done anything different, so I shouldn't be sore. Right. But then I was, oh, okay, sweet. And then I feel like I can hold my base a lot easier. Like it's less likely that I fall out of my stance. Like I'm so much stronger now, just sitting my base.
100%. Very good. Few seconds left. You can do this. 2 seconds. And rest.
Oh, that was good. It felt like it went up about here, but like, yeah, same through the side more and then to the center. But I felt like a lot of it in that hamstring bit here. Right.
Excellent. Excellent. All right, we're gonna do another set. We're almost there. And rest. Excellent.
I didn't feel much foot. And then probably felt more glute again. So it was like all up here. And then I got a little bit in the calf at the end. Right. And then it was like up my hamstring in the side bit there.
Right. So yeah, so as you lose some fascial tension, you're gonna feel some calf. That's normal. But later on, there's not gonna be any calf. It's all glutes. Yeah. And also the physiology of your glutes, the actual hardness will change. It will be extremely hard. That's through the fascia. Extremely hard. Especially when you spar. It's like the rubber band. I don't know if you're young, have you played with rubber band? You have rubber band, you wrap into a big gigantic rubber band ball. Yeah. All right. It's like that. That's your glutes. That's good. You got it. We have 5 seconds to go. And rest. Excellent. How do you feel? I know it's a challenge.
It was definitely harder, but in the front leg, I felt heaps of hamstring, went all the way up, and then on the back leg, it was just all calf.
Okay, that's not bad. Concentrating your feet, you're almost up. And rest. Good. How do you feel?
I felt like my glutes activated more, like in my right side when I twist. And then it was like up like halfway in my hammies.
Good. Yeah. Good. Yep. Hard punches. Here we go. Now, 7. 8. 9. Back. Push out, tension, tension, tension. 10. Good. Come back. 11. Good.
With like children, you know how they can, like they probably use their fascia system more than we would. But do you think when you're a baby, you start going away from that because you're not mindful? But I watch kids and their feet are so like gripped to the ground, and I swear they're just like, they move so much better than us, but
Yeah.
they wouldn't be thinking about it. So I'm like, well, where did that go? Like, it's just.